The Porsche 911 2025 continues the legendary story of one of the most iconic sports cars ever built, evolving its design and engineering to new heights while staying true to its unmistakable DNA. The exterior keeps the instantly recognizable silhouette, with its low stance, wide track, and sloping roofline that defines the 911 lineage. At the front, the car features re-sculpted bumpers and sleeker LED matrix headlights, giving it a sharper and more futuristic look. The wider air intakes emphasize performance while improving cooling efficiency. Along the side, the athletic proportions remain clear, with muscular rear haunches and flush door handles blending into the bodywork. At the rear, the signature light bar stretches across the width of the car, complemented by active aerodynamics with an adaptive spoiler that balances style with functionality. Every detail is designed to honor the past while pushing into the future. Inside, the Porsche 911 2025 combines tradition with advanced technology. The cockpit places the driver at the center, with a digital instrument cluster featuring customizable displays while still preserving the iconic central tachometer as a nod to heritage. A large touchscreen integrates Porsche's latest infotainment system, offering wireless connectivity, real-time navigation, and seamless smartphone pairing. Premium materials such as fine leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum line the cabin, reflecting both sportiness and luxury. The seating offers enhanced support for spirited driving, with heating, ventilation, and memory functions to keep comfort at the forefront. Subtle ambient lighting and a redesigned center console give the cabin a modern yet unmistakably Porsche feel, blending performance-focused ergonomics with everyday usability. Performance is where the 911 truly shines. Under the rear hood, the updated twin-turbocharged flat-six engines deliver even more power, with outputs ranging across the lineup to satisfy both purists and thrill-seekers. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour can happen in as little as 3 seconds, depending on the model, while top speeds surpass 190 miles per hour with ease. An advanced 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear changes, while Porsche's adaptive suspension and precise steering provide unrivaled handling. The addition of hybrid technology in select models further enhances performance while improving efficiency, marking a step into the future without compromising tradition. The Porsche 911 2025 remains the ultimate balance of heritage, innovation, and pure driving excitement.